Hey, what's going on? Team Shinobi Stance here, coming back at you with another vlog. I haven't been uploading in a while because the just COVID, work, etc. come and getting that piled on me. I just couldn't have a chance to upload for you guys. All second, the RX8 is had some behind the scenes work done to it, which I'll show you in a short bit. Because it's been down. I got it running, but then it broke the day after. So now I'm trying to get it running again so we can enjoy this experience all together with the new RX8 build I'm doing now. But before it was just like it ran, didn't run good, and then it died. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be more than happy to enjoy and entertain you guys with more content. So this is how the car kind of sits as of right now. It's kind of cold out due to winter coming around the corner, but this is kind of where the car sits. Pulled the motor. Actually, motor's out of the car. Got some drift burner spares I'm trying to collect and accumulate, but yeah, I got some clips of it running. When it did run, I'll put in the video somewhere. The interior's still somewhat intact. I had to fix the fuel issue with the flooding and whatnot. That's why the two backseat doors are open. Gotta just put them back in whenever I decide to get the car running again. Let's see. So right now, like I said, motor is out of the car. Yes, I did cut a couple things because I probably ain't going to be using. Because this is going to be more of a drift car than a daily, so that's the plan. I'm getting a new wiring harness because this one was haggard from the start. I mean, when you're talking, where is it? Some lines, I think it was on the motor side, that was just chopped and spliced and all this crap. I ain't having that, so I'm going to do this car right, get a proper wiring harness, and go from there. Here's the motor over here, actually. Where is it? There's a couple splice wires out right here that were kind of sketch. For example, this thing definitely spliced. Don't like that, none of that on any of my builds at all, so I'm gonna clean that up, get a new motor harness. But here's the motor. Looks like I could use a new clutch, flywheel. I haven't really cracked anything open yet. Just waiting to hopefully get some more, accumulate more items before I even start on this motor. But yeah, and then over here we got the transmission. Haven't really touched it yet, just because of the fact it's been kind of cold, and I'm waiting, like I said, to accumulate parts. I want to get short throw shifter for it, even though the shifter isn't short throw already. But what else? I mean, that's pretty much covers it for progress so far. I got the motor out, fixed the fuel problem before I started. But yeah, this thing's going to be getting new plugs, and basically I'm going to be Bridgeporting it myself, so I'll be entertaining on the channel. See how I Bridgeport this motor. What else? I'm thinking of going carbureted, but with New York safety inspection, I can't run that when I could take it for inspection, which the inspection on that car is way overdue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run fuel injection just for the inspection phase. And I'm going to switch over to the carburetor when inspection's basically done for the year. And it'll give it way more better tone. It will sound amazing. So that's the plan. Also, I am getting a new body kit for this car soon. along with the paint. Paint is going to be the big thing. So as you see, it's not perfect. Got some bubbling here, dents. The other side's way worse. Those are the only two spots on that side of the car. I mean, it needs body work, TLC. Going there. This whole side right here is pretty shot. I gotta get rockers still. And over here I got dents. A big dent right here on the door. But more rust. I mean, for how much I paid for this car and how much I want to transform it, I mean, yeah, I can't ask for a better platform for how much I paid for it too. So, alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.